Bulkheads can be formed using either bulkhead brackets or steel rails with column clamps and ties. The bulkhead bracket supports loads from the bulkhead pressure and also contain integrated ties. The bulkhead bracket 6023 can be used for walls up to 30 inches thick. For the safe working limits, refer to your technical drawings provided by MEVA. Be sure to use the correct side of the bulkhead bracket 6023. For MevaLite, the 23mm side should be used to attach the bracket to the panel's profile. Then, use the flange at the end of the bracket to tighten the bracket down over the panel until it's firmly secured. Brackets may not be spaced closer together than panel crossmembers, and each bracket should be positioned on top of the crossmember. The number and placement of brackets is determined by wall thickness and end panel width. To determine the number and placement of brackets needed, refer to the respective technical drawing section. The job-built bulkhead must be designed and constructed to resist the intended loads. When using rails and column clamps to create bulkheads, the column clamps must straddle the panel crossmember. The rail is then secured with the column clamp by using a flange nut 100. The ends of the vertical bulkhead panels are then tied by installing taper ties or thread bar using tie coils so that the ties clear the bulkheads.